Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I'm really excited on how it came out. I did this look for Valentine's Day because I know Valentine's Day is around the corner and I wanted to put a video up to inspire you guys to do your own makeup look for Valentine's Day. But yeah, I really like the way this look came out, and if you like the way this look came out and you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching the video. Okay, so I am going to start off by using two of my favorite primers at the moment. The first one is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer, and then I'm going to use the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. So I like to take the Jelly Pop and I like to put that on the outer parts of my face, and then I'm going to take the matte one and just put that in the T-zone area since that's where I get the most oiliest. So I'm going to take that. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This is literally my favorite and I'm almost out. Just to kind of set everything. I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild foundation and I'm just gonna tab it on my skin. I really like this applicator. I think it's really Before I dropped my foundation everywhere, I was applying my makeup and I was putting it up here. I'm kind of trying to this foundation is a little bit darker for me, so I'm kind of trying not to put so much of it on, but let's see how it blends on the skin. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I just want a little bit more coverage, but mainly in certain areas. I'm so mad that fell. It got all over my clothing and the floor, so I had to like literally go in, like literally spray my pants, because foundation is very hard to get out of clothing if you do not treat it right away, which is what I just did. And I put a towel down so I don't spill foundation or makeup all over the place and it'll, you know, go on my towel. So annoying. Okay, now I'm going to use a concealer. This is the e.l.f. one, their new one, the hydrating one. All of the products that I use in this video will be listed in a description box below in case you are wondering, and in case I forget to tell you in the video. They will be listed below. I'm gonna prime my lips. Okay. I'm gonna take some of that Wet n Wild spray, and I'm just gonna re-wet my sponge and just dab everything into this, to the face, so it can look like skin. I'm like just dabbing everything in. Just dab. Like literally dab. I am going to use this per usual, but it's broken, but I need to get a new one. I'm going to just set underneath my eyes which I should have did like 5 minutes ago, but okay. Wow, that's a lot. I think I'm actually going to bake today. Haven't baked in a long time. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in closer. I am going to do my brows. I'm gonna really speed through my brows because it's just very time consuming, but I'll give you a little glance of how I do my brows. So I'm going back in and I'm just carving my brows since I've drawn them on. Okay. So I did the brows. Now I am going to do the eyes. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm really just winging it over here. I just know I want to incorporate pinks into the look, but I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I picked this because you can get this at the drugstore. It's super affordable and I really like the shades in here. So I am first going to take, I'm gonna take this warm color because I really like these type of shades and I think they're just like really good transition colors. And I'm just gonna put that back and forth on my eye. Yeah. This is like my favorite color to put in my crease. So I'm taking this little light shade. I'm just gonna put that pretty much just like on top as like a layer. And I'm gonna do that on both sides of the eyes. I think I'm gonna take this from Makeup Revolution. I've never used this before. And I'm going to put this on my lid to see what it do. So I'm gonna put this on my lid and wow, that is pretty pigmented. So that is really pretty. I know right now it may look a little bit messy, but I promise at the end it will all come together. My makeup always does. It's kind of, just gonna take a smaller brush and kind of blend that out a little bit more. See what it does. I'm gonna go back in with this Wet n Wild palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm going to pretty much set what we just put on. I'm gonna take this Morphe 441 brush, and I'm going to take these two colors right here, and I'm gonna mix them, and I'm gonna put those on the outer part, like right here, while also kind of putting it a little bit in the crease, but mainly just touching it like on the outer parts. Now I'm gonna go back in with this shade right here, and I'm going to just put that back in my crease because I feel like it kind of got lost. Just pretty much doing touch-ups. Okay. Pretty much you just want to keep blending and keep touching up on what you feel like you've lost. Just gonna spray my sponge again, and I'm just gonna now put that powder all on my face. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I really love this powder from the drugstore. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I do, but I really do like it. I'm just gonna tap that all into my face. I like to literally tap it like into the skin so that way it can really absorb. I'm going to bronze the skin. I'm gonna go back in with this, but this time I'm gonna use the side. And I like to make the kissy face or like a fish face because I just think it really helps. I'm just gonna put this all over. Does anyone have any plans for Valentine's Day? Is anyone going out on dates? Like, does anyone have any exciting plans? Like, are you gonna go out to dinner, movies? I don't know what else. You're gonna stay in? What are you guys' plans? Valentine's Day is on a Friday this year, which is really good. You know, so that way you don't feel like you have to go to work or the next day or anything. I currently do not have any plans for Valentine's Day, but I'm also honestly really not a big Valentine's Day person. I'm not really a big holiday person anymore, just because I feel like, you know, I try to live my life a day at a time, and I feel like you should live every day like it's your last. So it doesn't really, I don't know, it just feels like another day to me. I'm not one of those people that makes a big deal out of it, whether I have a date or not. So, but hopefully y'all have fun. So I'm going to do blush. I'm going to try this new Wet n Wild blush that I just got from Target. I really hope I like it. And I'm so glad that Wet n Wild now has, I think they've changed their packaging on their blush, because their other packaging, hated it. Really hated it. I hated that it came with that brush that I never used. I don't know, I just feel like this is just more reasonable, and I feel like it's more compact to fit into my makeup drawer, and it just takes up way less space. So I really like the packaging better on this. And I got this in Nudist Society. I'm gonna dab a little there. I really like putting my blush here now. I think it just adds a little extra glow. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a double layer of highlighter. I just want to be extra today. I'm gonna take the ColourPop one. This is in Lunch Money. I'm going to dab that on my fingers, and then I'm just gonna dab it on the cheeks like so. So I'm gonna go in with my setting spray again and set my face. I'm literally running out. Okay. And that sprayed really weird. I'm gonna dab this into the skin. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tap into my highlight and just kind of go, just gonna tap it. Go like that. This is something that I would do like if I'm really trying to be extra and I just really want my makeup to stand out. I will put on a lot of highlight. We are glowing and we are thriving. Next, I am going to put on some liner. I'm just going to take this one from Essence. This is a brown liner. I'm not going to do black today. I'm going to do brown. And I'm just going to put that right here. I find this stuff to be very boring. Like, I don't know. I'm not like the biggest like liner fan. Like, I probably have like liners I need to get rid of because they're like super old. I'm not a big liner person, but I just got this recently, so I know I don't need to throw that away, but I'm just not a big liner person. I'm going to take those same colors that I use up top and I'm going to put them down the bottom. I'm going to put mascara on because I am going to pop on lashes. But first, mascara. I'm taking my Essence one. This is literally my favorite drugstore mascara because I feel like it's just, one, it's super affordable, and two, it really makes my lashes look very voluminous, and I like how long they get with this mascara. Okay, we're almost done. Let's move on to lips. I'm gonna take this one from ColourPop. That needs to be sharpened, but okay. Then I'm gonna go in with this one from Pixi. This one, I really like the formula of the Pixi liquid lipsticks. I think they're really good. They don't feel really drying. I really like a matte lip, but I like a matte lip that does not feel as drying on the lip. I'm gonna go back in with this to darken it up. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of gloss. This is from Essence. This is like my favorite drugstore gloss because I feel like it's just very creamy. Smells good too. Like, smells good, and it just really looks and feels good on your lips. Okay, and I'm just going to set my face again with whatever I have left in here. Not a lot. Gotta do that. Yeah, that's definitely going in the trash. I'm just gonna do this. I feel like you can just never get enough of setting spray. Like, it's really the key to like helping your makeup look really put together. Okay, so I'm gonna hop off camera and I'm gonna put some lashes on, and then when I get back on, this look will be completed. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope that you guys liked it. I'm really happy with the way my makeup came out. I think this look would be perfect to wear on Valentine's Day, or not even just Valentine's Day, but just going out in general. It's not too much, but just amount of makeup. Well, who am I kidding? I don't know if you would call this soft glam or what. I don't know, but I really do think it's a cute little glam, and I like how it has a little bit of hint of purple and pink and, you know, gold. So you still have your neutrals in there, but it's not too overbearing. I think it's really pretty, and yeah, I think it came out really well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below. Let me know what type of videos you would like to see in the future, because I do want to get more into doing videos just besides makeup. But let me know what you're interested in. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.